Hi Effie, so what are we going to do today?
A painting.
Yes.
Painting.
Father's Day is coming soon.
Yes.
We're gonna paint this today, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Shall we open up?
Yes.
Open up, Mama.
Alright, here.
I got this painting kit from MR.DIY. It is for ages of 5. My daughter is 3 years old and 10 months, so I'm gonna monitor her throughout the process. It comes with 6 colors and a paintbrush. So I got this palette as a color mixing tray, a cup of water. These are the 6 colors we have, so I'm gonna let Effie choose what she likes to paint on. She loves coloring very much. Most of the time she used color pencils and she tried crayon at her younger age. And this is her first time doing watercolor painting. As you can see, she is very gentle because she is afraid that she might mess it up. Basically, I just follow whatever she wants and let her decide. So she's picking pink color for the tent. And she wanted to make some red color. As we have very limited colors, so I'm gonna mix red and yellow for the lion head. Again, I'm gonna mix more of yellow for a lighter tone of orange. And she wants a pink outfit for the clown. So I decided to add some indigo color to the wheel because I think it will stand out more. Yay, so this is her first handmade gift for her father. She is actually very tired now after 2 hours of painting. Even you see this video is only 7 minutes. But she's very happy that she got this surprise gift for her father. To all the dads out there, wish you a happy Father's Day. Have an amazing day.